I'm selling my home. Should I fix it up or should I sell it as is? This is Gantry with the Gantry Wilson Group. And oftentimes people ask me if their home needs a little bit of work, should they fix it up or should they sell it as is? Well, here's some inexpensive tips and things that you can do to increase the value of your home. So starting with the exterior, the first thing I always tell people to do is to clean up the yard. And very simply, the other thing you can do is add some flowers to it after you've cleaned it up. You can also paint the exterior, but even cheaper, you can just paint the fascia board that goes around the exterior for that accent color. So on the inside, what I always recommend is to paint the interior with a neutral type color. The next thing you can do is if you've got worn carpet is to replace the carpeting. And finally, one of the simple things that you can do that doesn't cost very much but makes a huge difference is to replace the countertops in the bathroom and the kitchen with quartz. Keep the same cabinets, but put quartz countertops in it. It brings some class into it and it's not very expensive. So those are just some of the small things that you can do that'll have a big impact on the value of your home. And before you think about doing any major renovations, please reach out to us so we can develop a specific strategy for the sale of your home. Thanks so much and have a great day.